Sometimes we talk too much, and not every ear should hear about what is happening in your life. Not everyone should be entrusted with sensitive matters about your mind, your spirit, and your emotion. But in this season, the Lord is giving you spirit of wisdom to be able to discern. These are the people that are going to help me on my journey. These are the people that are not going to help me on my journey. Because there was a person that looked innocent and kind, but they were violent. They had a murderous spirit. Though on the outside they look kind, but on the inside they can kill you at any moment, mentally, spiritually, emotionally. But the Lord Jesus gives you the spirit of wisdom.